for you kids.
With Christmas just around the corner, let's join Tammy to experience the joy and mystery of this unique holiday. The gift box is on the table. The record player is turned on. The colored lights are on the sofa. The smell comes from the kitchen. The fireplace is lit. The snow falls from the sky. The clock struck 12. A star fell from the top of the tree. It's Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe. Thanks.